Dear student, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow is your SST exam. So this is the special session only for you. In this session we cover all the chapter 1 mark questions, that is geography, history and civics. So without delay, then start the session. First question number 1. About dash percentage of the world population is inhabited in the plain? The correct answer is 90%. Next question. Dash has the maximum forest cover in the world? That is Russia. The process of planting more tree and seeds is known as afforestation. Growing crop on the level, step and terrace on hilly sides is known as counterplogging. Next question number 5. The factor that gives maturity to the soil, that is time. To maintain ecologically balance, 33% of the land should be under forest. The correct answer is 33%. Next, which of the following does not have the soil erosion? That is afforestation. Next, which type of the erosion lead to desertification? That is wind erosion. Next, question number 9. Moving mass of ice like a river is known as glacier. The process of storing the rainwater through the various methods is known as rainwater harvesting. The water which is present above the surface is known as surface water. The process of disintegration of the rock into the smaller pieces is known as weathering. Next, true false. Fertilizer is formed by the decomposed part of the plants and animal. No, eta kon hobo? Eta humus hobo or manure. Then lithosphere consists of loose surface material known as land. No, land haboni, seta abo false. Eta kon hobo? Soil hobo. Next, the black soil of the India is derived from the lava rock. Eta true. Equatorial region are the area of the low rainfall. No, eta abo heavy rainfall. Next, question number 17. Assertion and reasoning. In different part of the world, there is uneven distribution of the population. Eta common and true. There are the varied characteristics of the land, water and climate. Eta common and false. So answer is option number 3. Next, question number 18. Large scale destruction of the forest cover and arable land has created a fear of the losing these natural resources. Eta common and true abo. Growing population and their ever growing demand, eta be true and correct explanation. Okay, जेतला हम population increase होउची forest को हम destruction कर दोउची. तो option number I. Next, question number 19. Soil erosion and depletion are the major threat to the soil as the resource. eta kon hobo na eta correct. Next, only human factors can lead to degradation of the soil. Eta false ହେଇଯିବ, only human factor no. तो option number 3. Next, question number 20. Humans use huge amount of the water, not only the drinking and washing but also the process of the productions. Eta kon hobo na true. Fresh water is therefore the most precious substance of the earth. Eta be true. Then kon hobo answer? Now option number 2I means आटा होची correct explanation no. Okay. Next, question number 21. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weather rock found on the earth. So A is correct. The right mix of the salt and organic matter make the soil fertile. Eta false. So option number I. Then assertion. The thick layer of the grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. No. Next, soil is made up of organic matter, salt and weather rock found on the earth. Eta be no. So option number D. Both A and B are wrong. Next, question number 21. The assemblage of the plant species in an environment is known as dash natural vegetation. Next, question number 22. Area under forest is depleting due to dash. Option number human interference. माने ह्यूमन रहिबारु माने कोन करछन ना फॉरेस्ट को काटिकी से निजे फैक्ट्री नला आउ सब बनाउछन. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Tree of the Mediterranean forest have dash. Now that is spiny and waxy leaves. Next question number 24. The most common tree of the tropical deciduous forest are dash, sal and teak. The correct option is option number B. Next question number 25. Dash vegetation grow in hot and humid region, that is tropical deciduous forest. Next question number 26. Dash and dash are the two important factors for the growth of the plant, that is temperature and rainfall. Next question number 27. Shrub and short tree are found in the area of low rainfall. जो low rainfall थी सीटा में छोटे छोटे गछ में पाऊ. Next question number 28. In cold region, plants occur in scattered patches in the form of dust, in the form of mosses and lichen. Next question number 29. Tropical evergreen forest grow in the area whose rainfall is 200 cm, because tropical evergreen means maximum our rain होतिबो. Next, hardwood trees like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, etc. are found in tropical rainforest. Then eucalyptus is commonly in dust, that is Australia. Next question number 32. Citrus fruit tree grow in dust. Citrus fruit grow in option number D, Mediterranean forest. The project Tiger was launched in 1973, option number A. In India, temperate softwood forests are found in the dust, option number B, southern slope of the Himalaya. Temperate softwood forest. Next question number 35. The forest which do not shed their leaves at the same time are called deciduous. No, कौन evergreen forest. तो ऑप्शन अब कौन एटा फॉल्स हे जिवो आउ एवरग्रीन लिखा हबो deciduous forest जगह. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 मैच करो. देखो कौन ना एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कोठी ना क्लाइमेट वार्म्स एवरग्रीन से ए कोठा हबो ना ए होची 2i. नेक्स्ट deciduous forest हबो climate in warm and distinct wet. ओके तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी A2i B थर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन assertion reasoning 37. Now these forests are commonly found in India, Myanmar, South China, East Brazil, central part of America. Reason कौन? Now these forests are common in the higher altitudes of the northern hemisphere and high mountain in Europe, Asia, North Canada and USA. तो आंसर अब कौन? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. बोथ A and R are true and R is not correct explanation of A. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. All the trees of this forest do not shed their leaves at the same time, hence the forest always appear green. It is true. Next, important tree in this forest are mahogany, ebony, rosewood. এটা কোন হইছিবো? এটা भी true ଅଛି and correct explanation নো. তো option number B. Then 39. In India, Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 prohibits poaching, hunting and trade of wildlife. এটা কোন হবো? না এটা true. Then in 1972 এটা হচ্ছে 73, তো এটা false হয়ে গেল. तो कौन होगा? A true, R is false. Option number C. Next question number 40. Assertion कौन? Now wildlife sanctuary is the protected area in which limited human activities are permitted. It is true. Then reason कौन अच्छी ना? People can collect firewood, timber, medicinal herbs in the moderate amount which can be used for the resource and educational purpose. It is true and correct explanation of A. Understand? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. को सुंदरबन कोडी अछि ना? सुंदरबन हम वेस्ट बेंगल अछि. ओके सुंदरबन कोडी अछि ना? वेस्ट बेंगल रे एटी अछि सुंदरबन. नेक्स्ट कोन? पेरियार केरला. केरला काई नेपट रे केरला. नेक्स्ट जिम कॉर्बेट एटा होछि यूके. देन मानस टाइगर रिजर्व होछि आसाम रे अछि. ओके এটা তুমি कर नबो. नेक्स्ट हम हिस्ट्री को जिबा. ब्रिटिश uprooted the tribal and destroy Indian industry by dash na economic exploitation. Okay, correct answer होजी economic exploitation. Next question number 2. Mahalwari system was the modified version of dash, was the modified version of the Jamidari system. Next, question number 3. The revenue was collected on the basis of soil fertility in rotary system. 4. Different tribal community live in different part of India. That is, Van Gujar belongs to Van Gujar belongs to Himachal Pradesh. Then Khasis revolted against British as they built road in their region. The leader of the revolt were na leader houjun ki na Barminik and Tirut Singh. Option number C. Then rewrite the sentence. Cookies of the Nagaland hobo na, eta Manipur hobo. Then industrial revolution of the Europe was responsible for the rapid industrialization of the India. No, rapid decline. तो अब correction कर ले decline. Okay, लिख दीजिए आंसर rapid decline. Then the changes made in the forest law brought the prosperity for the tribal. No, tribal होबो ना, एटा कोन होबो ना British को पाई होबो. Next question number 9. The rural life in India was self-sufficient and thus before the urban British East India Company. Our traditional. Next question number 10. Rajas and thus became the Jamidars. Talukdar. Answer is Talukdar. Next question number 11. Das became the biggest plantation industry in Assam. That is tea. Monokibo. Setipai tea hoji Assam famous. The British wanted to smuggle opium to Pakistan. Eta false hobo. Eta China ko pathaudele. Next, rotary system was introduced in Bengal. Eta be false. Then indigo was grown in Bengal and Bihar. Eta true. Next, define Mahal. Define Mahal means a group of village is known as Mahal. State the reason why British forced the farmer to produce thick sugarcane juice. तो आंसर कहाँ हो ना, तो farmer were forced to produce thickened sugarcane for the sugar factories. Okay. Next question number 17. Assertion reasoning. The East India Company devised the various method to collect land revenue. Okay, it is true about. Next, land revenue system was introduced to legitimize and economic exploitation. It is true about. And A is true, R is true, and R is the correct explanation of the A. So option number A. Next question number 18. Indian industries were destroyed rapidly. It is true. British promoted machine-made articles at the cheaper rate. It is true and correct explanation. So option number A. Next question number 19. Assertion. The land policy of the British destroyed the traditional land system of Mundas. Reason कौन ना, बिरसा instigated the tribal to attack Jamidar. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी होबो मींस हमारा A is correct, R is correct, and R is not correct explanation of A. The option number B. Next question number 20. In the 17th century, trade with European nation was in favor of India. Reason कौन, company policy led to more improvement in Indian craft and artisanship. The option number C means A is correct. A is correct and R is false. Next question number 21. Name the state of the which of the following tribal lives belongs to Manrakha. Van Gujar hochi Jammu Kashmir. Gadi hochi HP Himachal Pradesh. Khasi hochi Assam. Munda hochi Jharkhand. Then Kandha hochi Odisha. Next 22. Identify the Mughal emperor who led Delhi at the time of the revolt of 1857. So option number 1 Bahadur Shah Jafar. Question number 23. Who was the Governor General of the India time of the revolt? Lord Canning. Next. Lord Wesley introduced the policy of the doctrine of laws. No, it is Dalhousie above. Which of the following is an incorrect option? Now option number C. Tantia Tope led the revolt in the Delhi. It is Delhi habani because it have a Kanpur. Next question number 26. Who was given the title of Empress of India? That is Victoria, Queen Victoria. The Sepoy broke out into an open revolt and Meerut in April 1857. Which of the following The best proof, the option number 4, that is because they refused to the toss geese cartilage, because এটা কোথায় বনা হউতলা না pig ଆଉ ଆମର cow ଇଏରେ skin ରେ. So next 28, who among the following remain the loyal to the Britishers? Afghan and Gurkhas. Next question number 29, name the kingdom which was annexed on the pleas that the government was not functioning properly, that is Awadh. You are the Sipahi of the Bengal regiment under the Mangal Pandey. Which of the following is your center of the revolt? Now that is Barakpur, because Bengal जो अच्छी regiment ता नाम होची Barakpur. Okay. Then identify the leader of the revolt of the 1857 who had been proclaimed the Shehenshah Hindustan. किए ना बहादुर शाह जफर मन रखिबो. Next question number 32, evaluate the main idea of the doctrine of lapse. कौन सेटा ना a plan to annex the kingdom, declare king who left the throne without their the natural heir, मीन ताको जदी संतान नथिबे सेटा कहा को पळेबो ना सेटा ब्रिटिश को पाको पळेबो. ओके देखो नेक्स्ट बाय ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी पाको पळेबो. नेम द प्लेस वेयर द रिवोल्ट ऑफ द 1857 स्टार्टेड. कोड स्टार्टेड हेतला ना मेरठ रे. Arrange the following statement in sequential order based on the event that shaped the revolt in the 1857. First कौन हितला ना हमरो सिपाही हितला मेरठ रे, एटा होची 1. Then death of the Rani Lakshmibai 2. Then हम Queen proclamation एटा होची 3. Then appointment of viceroy. Then 1 2 3 4 means आगो आसबो 2i. Then option number C, 2i IV. Next question number, which of the following was not center of the revolt? एटा को हम बॉम्बे हबो, because बॉम्बे रे किसी सेंटर न थला. Okay. Next question number 36, the company rule ended the Queen Victoria proclamation. Then statement 2, British left India after the great revolt of the 1857. कहाँ हबो ना statement A is correct but R is incorrect. Option number A. Racial discrimination माने कौन? Looking down upon the black मन रखो. Next question number 38, the revolt of the 1857 is often referred as the first war of the independence. एटा कौन हबो? True. Then it is the first time that all the section united. Yes, एटा भी true. So and R is the not correct explanation of the A. So option number B. On the outline political map India located. एटा मैप करिवो देखो कहि दोची. फर्स्ट बेगम हजरत महल कोठी हमर थले हमर लेड करथले ना अवध रे. अवध कोठी अछि ना यूपी रे. देखिबो यूपी खोजिबो यूपी स्टेट रे. नेक्स्ट मंगल पांडे होची बाराकपुर मींस एटा वेस्ट बंगाल रे खोजिबो वेस्ट बंगाल स्टेट रे. नेक्स्ट सरी गला civics. Which of the following subject does not come under the union list? The correct option is option number A, that is agriculture. Next question number 2. Total 3 list hochi मन रखियो. Which of the following statement about the Lok Sabha is correct? Lok Sabha कौन correct? It can never be dissolved. It is false. Its members are elected indirectly. Okay. It can be passed no confidence motion. Money bill can. It option number D. Next question number 3. Which of the following statement about the Indian Parliament is true? Then first option, it is the highest law making of the body. It ain't true. Next question number 4. Each member of the Rajya Sabha has the term of 6 years. मन रखिबो केवल राज्य सभा रे 6 year थाए आउ प्राय 5 year थाए. Next, during the Lok Sabha election, reserve the constituency at the main for DAS means for the SC and ST मन रखिबो scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. तांको ପାଇଁ reserve थाए किसी seats. Then the parliament control the executive by DAS मन रखिबो एटा होची B. Question hour. Next question number 7. Ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha is vice president. मन रखिबो ex officio माने कोन जे member हेइ नथिबो कथा chairman तो एटा होची vice president. Then question number 8. The annual budget of the central government is passed every year. मन रखिबो every year. एबे कि हमर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर अछन निर्मला सीतारमण मन रखिबो. Next, age of the candidate to contest the Lok Sabha एटा होची 25. लोकसभा होची 25. The tenure of the Lok Sabha in normal time is 5 years. Who passes no confidence motion? এটা হচ্ছে কোন লোকসভা মনে কিব লোকসভার হাইয়েস্ট পাওয়ার থাকে রাজ্যসভা টু. How many members are nominated by the president in রাজ্যসভা? 12. President কোন না 12 জনଙ୍କୁ nominated କରନ୍ତି. Which state has the largest legislative assembly? এটা यूपी কাহিনা यूपी रे ही अधिक हमर पॉपुलेशन तो यूपी. Next, which house is called the permanent house of the parliament? এটা কোন কোন রাজ্যসভা কাহিনা এটা কেবল ডিজলভ हुएनी. Next, judicial function of the parliament does not include removal of dash na removal of prime minister. Next, who introduced money bill Lok Sabha? Assassin reasoning. The president of India is an integral part of the parliament. Okay. Then no bill can become a law without his approval. Yes, it will be true. So answer is option number A. A is correct and R be correct and A is the R is the correct explanation of the A. Then 80 number. In the question given is kono na regarding the money matter Lok Sabha is more powerful. Yes, mane kyo money matter re Lok Sabha bahut powerful thae Rajya Sabha true. So এটা true হবো. And Lok Sabha has more effective control over the union executive. এটা भी true হবো. But correct explanation no. Understand? Next question number 19. The scheduled caste and scheduled tribe can contest the election from the reserved constituency. এটা কখন হবো না true হবো. The purpose of the uplifting the weaker section of the society bring them into the national mainstream. এটা भी true but correct explanation no. So option number B. Next question number 20. In the questions kon deichi na Lok Sabha is a permanent no eta Rajya Sabha eta false he gala. After the 2 years the 1/3 of the member retire the election are held. Eta kon hobo eta bi kaha bise ko after every year means option number D means A is false R is true. बुझला एबे किछि केस स्टडी गोटे करबे देखो 1/3 of the list okay देइछि किछि देखो पढि दियो the third list of the concurrent list which is the 52 subject माने कि केतरा सब्जेक्ट अछि ना टोटल 52 टा अछि include the subjects such as marriage divorce transfer of the property agriculture land हैला adulteration foodstuff जोटा हम जो मिलावट करंदी drugs and medicine labor welfare. Okay, the parliament as well as the state legislature both can make the law in the list. Okay, concurrent means center आउ state कौन कर परिवो ना सही subject रे रोल कर परिवो. So first question कौन state the role of the concurrent list. देखो the parliament as well as state legislature okay both can make the law on this subject. Next question number 2. Mention any two subject mention in the concurrent list. ऊपर खाली दीटा लिखि देबार अछि कोटा होची drugs and medicine आउट होची labor welfare. Next who controls the residual list एटा होची parliament माने कि एटा parliament रे करे. Next question number 1.4. Why did the maker of our constitution divide the subject on the law could be made? Because to avoid the conflict on the overlapping the functioning हैला overlapping जेंदी न हबो. Next आउट केस स्टडी देखो the vice president of India ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, ex officio means सेटा member हेइ नथिबो कथा भी chairman like the Lok Sabha speaker. आम एबे लोकसभा स्पीकर किए अछंती ना ओम बिरला. Then see the also preside over the meeting of the Rajya Sabha, conduct is proceeding and maintain the discipline of the decorum of the house. वैसे given अछि एबे हम क्वेश्चन करबा. State one function of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha कोन ना maintain discipline. first maintain discipline करिवे हम लिखि दबो लिखा आइतला. Next who maintain the discipline एटा speaker. What is the process of the introduction of the money bill? The money bill can be introduced in Lok Sabha. एटा मन रखिबो लोक सभा ही खाली हम money bill टा इंट्रोड्यूस हे परिबो. Who elect नला आउ जो जति सब बिल अछि जे कोन से हाउस रे इंट्रोड्यूस हे परिबो बट money bill टा ओनली लोक सभा रे ही इंट्रोड्यूस हे परिबो. Who elect the member of the Rajya Sabha? मन को तो state legislature elected MLA only. Okay, ठीक अछि. जदि ए वीडियो टी पसंद लागे देन लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो आउ काली एग्जाम पई बेस्ट ऑफ लक काली भलो स्कोर रखो. थैंक यू.